Tonight's episode, we're going to show you how a $70 grill from Amazon can create your favorite Japanese food. Welcome to another episode of Cooking with the Murphys, featuring yours truly, Mr. Chef Extraordinaire.
Yours truly?
What's in the kitchen tonight, bud?
Well, we had fun grilling our own meat in Japan.
I know.
I bought a meat grill.
You did.
And it also melts cheese for raclette.
Raclette.
And Lucia has a fun job right now of putting meat on sticks. Wait till you see this.
Take the camera.
I'm not taking the camera, it's on a tripod.
Okay.
I'm cutting meat. I don't know what you're doing.
I'm helping you.
Ah, yes.
We take this stick and we put meat on the stick. That didn't work.
Lots of meat on this stick.
One.
How's it going?
Two. Three. How many pieces do you want on here?
As many as you could fit on there.
As many pieces as I can fit on here.
Right.
Okay. Stay tuned, guys. We will be back when this is all loaded up and ready to go. This ought to be good. All right. So I did my bit. I managed to get the meat on a stick. I'll show you what one looks like really quick. They're loaded up pretty good. I did 4 of them like this. And Mr. Murphy has made 4 of them like this. So now he's asked me to go out and pull the tails off of the shrimp, which is a no-brainer. So you just
put the shrimp on the stick.
So you just take your shrimp, and then you just push the tail off the end, pop the shrimp back in the water. It's a no-brainer. So stay tuned. These will be on a stick in a minute. Well, that was a massive fail. As you can see, I was putting the shrimp on there, but he's got them going on there a specific way, and he's got 2 going on per stick.
2 shrimps.
So basically what he's doing is he's taking his skewer, he's skinny or flattening out the shrimp so he can stick the skewer through, and voila. This is gonna get dirty. Well, Mr. Murphy's got the shrimp lined up. He's got the meat lined up. Uh-oh. I see vegetables and he still has more sticks.
4 sticks.
All right, you saw it before, those vegetables, they ended up on sticks. I think he's making us a big feast tonight. I don't know about this.
Looking good.
He asked me to make him a salad, and this is exactly what I did. Pulled it out of the bag, threw the cheese on top. And the dishes are already starting to mount.
Look at these starting to cook.
Oh my God.
These are lamb. This is skirt steak. Mushrooms, green onions, regular onions, red bell peppers, and shrimp. 2 shrimp per stick. What do you think? I gotta take a picture of it.
You are so obsessed with
Looks
Japan.
So pretty.
You are so obsessed with Japan, it's not even funny. Of course, he did not allow me to let it sit like that. He had to go and perform his own master craftery to the salad.
Nom nom.
His choice of dressing is always in everything 1000 Island. Always.
Not that 1,000 islands.
Me, on the other hand, I beg to differ. Beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Everywhere you go.
Bubbly cheese.
Oh my God. Anticipation. Ooh. Wow. Wow.
How they do?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I guess we're going to have to taste test one and find out now, aren't we?
You're right.
All right, come on, let's give her a taste test.
All right. So
What
this
is-
is the raclette from the
Oh, so that's
boat.
the cheese, okay.
Burnt cheese.
You're eating my burnt cheese, I get it. All right, give it a taste.
There's your burnt cheese. Now, you got a little bit of this Japanese barbecue sauce.
Oh,
there.
no. Did you seriously bring home Japanese barbecue sauce? You really did. I don't believe it. How is it?
Ha ha.
Ha ha ha.
Oh man.
Oishi.
Oishi.
Lamb, flank steak, peppers, onions, mushrooms, and shrimp. Cost us, how much?
Couple bucks.
What's a couple bucks? 20 bucks?
20 bucks.
About 20 bucks. The grill, which you can get from Amazon, costs us $69. So for under 100 bucks, we made our own Japanese yakitori here at home. And hopefully you can too. Subscribe, like, comment down below if you like this spontaneous segment of cooking with the Murphys. We had something else planned, but this superseded it because he was too excited to do this tonight. So until next time, we'll see you in the next episode. Peace out, everybody.